Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating LC error code on your Samsung washing machine from 2025, don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, I'm going to guide you through a simple, step-by-step process to get your machine up and running again. This error often pops up due to issues with water flow or pressure, like a clogged filter or a kinked hose, but with a few quick checks, you can fix it yourself and save on repair costs. First things first, let's understand what the LC code means. It typically stands for low current or relates to the water level sensor, indicating that your washer isn't getting the water it needs. Before we dive in, make sure to unplug your machine for safety. Always prioritize your well-being when dealing with appliances. Step 1. Check your water supply. Ensure that the faucet connected to your washing machine is fully turned on and that there's no blockage in the pipes. Sometimes, it's as simple as a turned-off valve. Next, inspect the inlet hoses. Look for any kinks, bends, or cracks that might be restricting water flow. Straighten them out or replace them if they're damaged. Moving on to step 2. Clean the filters. Most Samsung models have a mesh filter on the water inlet valve. Turn off the water supply, disconnect the hose, and carefully remove any debris or limescale buildup. Use a soft brush and warm water to clean it thoroughly, then reattach everything securely. Now, for step 3. Reset your washing machine. This can often clear temporary glitches. Unplug the machine for about 5 minutes, plug it back in, and run a test cycle. If the error persists, double-check all connections and try running a diagnostic mode if your model supports it. Refer to your user manual for specifics. Finally, if none of these steps work, it might be time to call in a professional. There could be an underlying electrical issue or a faulty sensor that needs expert attention. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning filters every few months can prevent this error from happening again. There you have it. Your Samsung washing machine should be back to its efficient self. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy fixes, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy washing.